Today I'm reviewing the LOL Surprise OMG Pearla fashion doll, and if your kid is into mermaids, glitter, or surprises, this one's going to be a hit. Pearla comes with 15 surprises, including mermaid-themed fashions, shoes, accessories, a hairbrush, a stand, and more. The unboxing experience is half the fun. Everything is hidden in cute compartments, so kids get that surprise reveal moment multiple times. The doll itself is beautifully detailed. Long pastel hair, shimmery makeup, and an ocean-inspired outfit that's bold but still kid-friendly. Perla is part of the OMG line, so she's taller than the original LOL dolls and has articulated limbs, which makes posing and playing more fun. One thing I really love is the overall quality. The clothes snap on easily, the accessories are sturdy, and the packaging can even be reused as part of pretend play or storage. It's a great gift idea for kids ages 4 and up, especially if they already love LOL dolls or mermaid themes. If you're looking for a fun, giftable toy with lots of play value, LOL Surprise OMG Perla is a solid choice.